Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into something you've probably seen all over social media.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
This viral car cleaning gadget. It's everywhere. Our mission is, well, let's do a quick check. Is the hype real?
You mean the Clareo Automotive Brush?
That's the one.
Yeah, I've seen it. The ads are intense. Spotless windshields, fog gone in seconds. You know the drill.
And that price point, always under $30, right? After this supposed massive 50% discount.
Exactly. That discount thing is key to making it feel like an urgent, amazing deal. Definitely part of the viral push.
Okay, right. So let's unpack that. Is it genuinely a game changer, or is it just really clever marketing around maybe a simple idea?
Well, that's the core question, isn't it? Is that discount hiding something or maybe justifying something pretty basic?
Let's start with the basics then. What is this thing according to the source material?
So it's described as a small, bright green tool, kind of uniquely shaped to get into the corners of windshields.
Right, for the inside mainly. And mirrors other windows too.
Yeah, exactly. Those tricky spots.
And the big claims. What are the selling points they push?
Okay, so number one, easy to use. That's huge. Two, streak-free finish. And this is the big one. It supposedly works without needing any sprays or chemicals.
Oh, interesting. So how does it clean then?
It uses a reusable microfiber pad. The idea is that this pad traps the dirt, the dust, and especially the condensation.
Ah, the condensation. That's the killer, isn't it? That foggy inside windshield on a damp morning.
Precisely. We've all done that awkward wipe with a sleeve or a napkin, right? Yeah. This tool targets that exact frustration.
And it's small, easy to stash in the glove box or console.
Yep, practical. Ready for that instant fix.
Yeah.
Which sounds great, but this is where it gets interesting.
Okay.
We looked at the user feedback, over 15,000 online reviews, and let's just say the picture is very mixed.
Mixed how? Like love it or hate it?
Pretty much. It really splits people, which makes you wonder, is it solving the whole problem or just like one part of it?
Okay, so tell me about the two sides. What are the positive takes?
The positive crowd. They say, yeah, it actually works really well for fog and those light smudges.
So the condensation thing is real.
Seems like it. Especially people in humid places find it super useful for that quick clear-up. It tackles that immediate annoyance.
Okay, makes sense. So what about the negative side then? What are they saying?
The negative reviews often say, look, it's basically just a slightly better microfiber cloth on a, well, kind of cheap-feeling plastic handle.
Ah, so flimsy maybe?
Some say flimsy. Others say it just doesn't do much for actual dirt, like anything beyond light dust or fog. Forget it. Heavy grime, stuck on stuff, no chance.
So the disappointment comes from expecting like a miracle cure.
Exactly. They feel like they bought into the hype of this amazing gadget and got something, well, less amazing, more basic.
Right. So if we pull back a bit,
Uh,
what do the sources conclude overall? Is it a scam?
No, definitely not a scam. The product is real. The website's legit. People get the brush. That's confirmed.
There's a but, isn't there?
The but is that its perceived value seems heavily boosted by that constant high-pressure marketing. That 50% off feeling really shapes expectations.
So it works, but maybe not like magic.
Precisely. The final verdict seems to be it's actually quite effective for what it is. A specialized tool for light cleaning, especially condensation, does that job pretty well.
But the expectations set by the ads are just way too high.
Way too high, yeah.
Okay, so the key takeaway for you, the listener, is probably this. It is not some magic wand.
Definitely not.
It's a handy tool for quick fixes, that daily fog, light smudges, great for that. But the source is very clear. It absolutely won't replace a deep windshield wash.
Not even close.
So if you like having simple, useful little tools for specific car annoyances, maybe it's worth considering.
Possibly, but you have to go in with realistic expectations. Don't expect it to deep clean your windshield like a professional detailer.
Right. Manage those expectations.
And, that brings up a bigger thought, doesn't it? Something for you to maybe think about.
So
Beyond just this one brush, how much of what we think a product is worth today comes purely from that viral hype, that social media urgency?
the perpetual 50% off thing we mentioned.
Exactly. Versus, what the thing actually does, its core function.
Yeah.
And how should we let that difference affect the quick decisions we make, maybe when we're just scrolling and see something?
That's a really good question. Marketing versus reality in the age of the viral trend. Something to definitely chew on.